Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody asked me a question about when they have a line at a particular angle, it doesn't matter what angle it is, it's difficult to find out the length of the line. Corel's telling you that is 19, but that's the bounding box. So a couple ways you can measure it. You can go to the parallel dimension tool to make sure you go from node to node, and that line is 23.58. The other way to do it that's probably a lot easier, especially if you have a lot of lines, is click on your line, go to Windows, Dockers, Properties, and because the line is a curve, you can see it's actually, I've run it out further, 23.57893 long. So that line is that length. If we turn this probably to 0, well, you'd have to draw a line first. So let's make a line, and let's make it 15 inches. And then, so it says it's 15 inches, and if you go to the curve, it shows you 15 inches. But if you tweak it just a little bit, Corel's thinking it's 13.9, and it's still 15 inches long. Anyway, I hope that answers his question. Thank you for watching.